There are millions of websites on the internet, but not all of them are suitable for everyone. Whether you are a parent trying to protect your children, someone who wants to stay focused and avoid distractions, or you simply want to prevent access to certain websites on your iPhone, there is a built-in setting that lets you do exactly that. And the best part, it works across all browsers on your iPhone. Let me show you how. Apple has included a powerful feature inside Screen Time that allows you to block specific websites completely. Once a website is blocked, anyone trying to open it on that iPhone will be prevented from accessing it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step. Step 1. Now first, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. If this is your first time using Screen Time, it's a good idea to set up a Screen Time passcode. This prevents other people from changing these settings later. Now, create a passcode that you'll remember, but make sure it is different from the passcode you use to unlock your iPhone. You may be asked to add a recovery email address or phone number. This is optional, so you can skip it if you want. Depending on your setup, Apple may also ask whether the device belongs to a child or an adult. Simply choose the option that applies to you and continue. Now step 2. Once that's done, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If the feature is turned off, enable the toggle at the top. This is what allows you to control what content and websites can be accessed on the device. Step 3. Next, tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. Then tap Web Content. If you see Unrestricted Access selected, that means every website can currently be accessed on this iPhone. To start blocking websites, select Limit Adult Websites. As soon as you do that, you'll notice two new sections appear at the bottom: Always Allow and Never Allow. Step 4. This is the part we are looking for. Under Never Allow, tap Add Website. Now type the website you want to block. For example, you can enter any website that you don't want accessible on the device. Once you've entered the website address, tap Done. And that's it. The website is now blocked. If someone tries to open that website using Safari, Chrome, Firefox or any other browser on the iPhone, they won't be able to access it. Now, this feature can be incredibly useful for parents who want to create a safer browsing experience for their children. It's also helpful for students who want to eliminate distractions while studying, or for anyone trying to stay productive by blocking websites that consume too much of their time. And because the restriction is protected by your Screen Time passcode, other users won't be able to remove the blocked website without knowing that passcode. That's how you can block any website on your iPhone using Apple's built-in Screen Time settings. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might find it useful, and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips, tricks, and hidden features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.